Hello there.
Good afternoon, Mr. Dunphy, Mr. Canada. This question goes out to Mr. Canada.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. In this year's budget debate, can you point out to 3 areas where your government would have spent less money?
Going on with in-house until you actually go there. So one of the areas that I can tell you right off the bat that we would look at is, first of all, we recognize that, and you have to listen to the people of Bermuda to get some of these solutions. We've got too many GP cars, folks. I'm just going to put it right out there. We need to cut back on the number of GP cars that we have. We cannot have our ministers and then our permanent secretaries and then all of these GP cars that we are having to maintain, that we are having to purchase, first of all, and maintain, that we are having to put fuel in on a every, a weekly basis, depending on how much you're driving back up and forth. And these cars are not being used entirely for the business of the ministry.